G'day guys, so today we are talking about the close grip bench press. This is a really good compound movement that can develop your triceps and also the locking out phase of your bench press. Really good arm developer, this one. So let's get started. As you can see, we are in a bench press position, so we're going to set up just like we would for our bench press. We're going to come underneath the bar, we're going to plant our toes down and create as much of an arch as possible. Slide down the bench. Now, a traditional bench press, I would normally get you to go a thumb width or thumb and a knuckle out and grab a hold of the bar here. With a close grip bench press, I'm actually looking for you to bring your wedding finger rings, well, there's two, but one, and run that on where the nail meets the smooth part of the bar. From here, we're going to grab a hold of the bar and come in nice and bring it out in front of ourselves. What we need to be aware of when it comes to this exercise is the same concepts around our bicep where we worry about line of pull. When it comes to our triceps, most people, when they do this exercise, they flare out and they end up pushing out like this. What we want to do is think about the line of pull coming straight down and straight past our lats and almost grind along our lats to press back up again. Then you can see when I do this how much straighter that line of, or well, not pull but press, how much straighter that press is versus if I'm out here. Again, if the load's out here, we can cause ourselves elbow injury. So we want to come in nice and tight to the body, press out. So we're going to set up, start underneath the bench press, the bar in line with the chest, arch down, shoulder blades pinned back and down to create stability. We're going to run our wedding rings along the nail that goes from rough to smooth. We're going to grab a hold of the bar and we're going to roll our elbows into the midline of our body. So you can see from being out here, rolling in. From this position, we're going to take it down to the highest point of the chest, press up again, down and press up again. And this team is how we want to do our close grip bench press. Now, if you are struggling to feel it through your triceps, what you can do is just bring that bar closer to your neckline. So instead of coming, say, to the midline of the chest, you can go to the upper portion of the chest, and the further you bring this bar back, the harder it will be. So I strongly suggest about nipple line and press up again. Nipple line, press up. And team, that there is how you go about doing a close grip bench press.